Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a cleaning my car with me and just like a car wash video just of the outside and the interior, because my car has gotten so dirty and I haven't given it a wash. So today's the day, and I thought it'd just be fun to record it and like show you guys how dirty it is. I don't know, I like watching people wash their cars, so I thought this would be fun. I'm actually gonna start with washing the outside right now. I even have put up the little tent outside. The sun is like really harsh right now, but there's air blowing, so it feels good. I definitely need to clean inside. I'm gonna vacuum, and it looks like even the back seats are dirty. I just have a bunch of stuff thrown back there and down there. Show you guys how dirty it is. I hope you can see everything. Like, the car is literally ashy. So gross and nasty. It's for way too long. Who lets this happen? You know, there's a big old bird poop right there. Ugh. Okay, let's clean this. So now I'm going to use one of these mitts to clean my wheels first. I have a separate one that I'm going to use for the actual body of the car. Just start from top to bottom, like usual. And yep. Now I'm grabbing the other mitt. I'm trying to do this quickly because like literally half of the car is still inside. Okay. I've dried it. It kind of had some like ugly spots. I'm gonna spray the whole car and just wipe it down, give it some more shine or whatever.
You've been telling me
this has taken me so long. I'm literally over it. Now I'm gonna clean all of the windows. Almost done with the outside. Okay, you guys, it's done. For the most part, this is the best it's gonna get, to be honest. I just finished all the windows. I do such a bad job when cleaning my windows. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but got that shine. It finally looks dark gray and not an ashy gray. I'm actually thinking of changing my sticker, so I might take that off after I finish. But okay, let me show you the mess I have going on in here. My seat is so dirty as well. Like, the mats are nasty. I'm not gonna be a super detailed cleaning. Like, I'm just gonna vacuum and like wipe it down and put all this stuff away. Oh look, it's the sticker I'm gonna put back. I actually had this sticker on before. I don't know if you remember my other videos, and I want to put it back. The only reason why I took it off in the first place is because it was lifting, and it started looking ugly, so I ordered another one. So I think I want to put it back. I have an umbrella back here. Oh, that's ketchup. I know, I'm disgusting. I don't know how there's ketchup on that. I have this little stabilizer thing for my camera that I should use more often. I have my tripod thing that I connect my phone sometimes, like up there. And a napkin. I don't think there's anything on the other side. And then I have a sweater, and I don't know why the hand sanitizer is back there. Oh, water's gonna come down. Yeah, but I'll probably just vacuum the trunk as well. I usually keep those bags in my trunk, like window cleaner and all that stuff, just so like if I ever need it, my window is really, really bad and I'm not home, I keep that in the back. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna bring out the vacuum. We have like this homemade vacuum. It's kind of funny, but it works really, really good, so. Here's Eduardo and my brother. They're going to Starbucks and not bringing me anything.
You want some?
Yeah. I'll text it to you. Goodbye, guys.
You've been telling me.
I guess I did have more stuff in here. Oh, these are just the papers that came with the spring. These are my papers. I got my much needed Starbucks. I've literally been outside for so long, but at least it's not hot anymore. Actually, I'm going to throw this away. This one is old. I'm gonna clean the entire inside with this. In the cup holder, I literally have a round one card from my birthday. This is from January. I have a sticker. I have my hand sanitizer. There's a child crying. I have a bunch of pens in here. I have coins in here, so I have some 3M tape. And I'm gonna all the trash I got going on here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't think it cracked, did it? I would have literally cried. Finished everything on the inside for what I'm gonna do today. But I'm gonna just put an air freshener on, poke it out, and boom. I'm just gonna leave that there for a couple days and slowly pull it down. I am gonna change this sticker, so I'm just gonna try and like peel it off. Okay, yeah. It's already like, I'm gonna try and save it and put it on like my laptop or something because I like this sticker. I just really want the pug one back on. You were well. I clean the window up again because my car is literally already getting dirty and dusty. It's fine. Okay. Now let's do this. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, it's not gonna meet all the way at the bottom. Bruh, look at all those bubbles I put in there. I'm so happy to have the sticker back. I missed it. I love it. Officially finished cleaning my car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other video suggestions that you guys want me to do, just let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.